Hello everybody and welcome to Introduction to API. As we said before in pre-course session, API stands for Application Programming Interface, and it developed originally by operating system engineers to offer developers to access to operating system libraries without the need to see its code. But in web world, the API used to exchange data between endpoints. The endpoint can be backend server or mobile application connecting the XML. So they develop SOAP. They develop SOAP to be a full protocol and the standard for API. SOAP uses XML as a format, and many companies use SOAP for API. For example, Yahoo, eBay, and Google. Google actually dropped SOAP lately in 2006 in favor of REST. Then REST came. REST came to fix the issues with SOAP. SOAP was so complicated and not flexible at all, and has some performance and security issues. So REST rely on HTTP protocol and methods to exchange data in the API. For example, if you wanted to query data, you use GET. If you wanted to create data, you use POST. The data you want to query or data and a parameter you want to pass. So as you can see, it's an XML structure, but it's so complex to handle it. About REST, this is an example of a REST request. It uses a normal HTTP request and it handles HTTP response. In this example, if you have an application built with Ruby and REST API built with Java. So Ruby application made an HTTP request to Java application with method get. He wants to query data, and the REST API will process this request example, change login from username to email or something. In the traditional way, you will modify the backend server to handle the new data structure. But how about the mobile applications that connect to this API? Okay, you will release updates to the mobile application. The user who updated the mobile application will use the API with no problems, but the old users who didn't update the mobile application yet will have problems or even exceptions. So API versioning came to fix this. API versioning mean you have namespace dot version plus JSON or XML. Third method is through custom header, for example API dash version and the version 1 or 2 or 3. So that's all for now. See you next time.